Hi Roshan.
Hi,
Roshan, we are going to discuss a few things about reciprocal reading. We've been doing reciprocal reading for a very long time in class. So you're going to tell me a few things about reciprocal reading. Okay? Yes?
Yes,
So can you explain what reciprocal reading is?
reciprocal reading is what we do, all the strategies, and what we understand the story better.
Okay. So why do we do reciprocal reading?
Because we want to read the story better and learn the story better.
Okay. So you mentioned something about reading strategies, correct? So what are the strategies that you use to understand the story better?
Clarifying, summarizing, questioning, correcting, and predicting.
So what is clarifying?
What we don't know words, we circle and we find the meanings.
Okay. Do you directly use a dictionary?
No, first we break the word into small and we find for a root word and we substitute the word, and that we also don't know, we use a dictionary and we ask for help.
Okay. So what is the other strategy that you use? You spoke about summarizing,
Summarize.
correct? So what is summarizing?
What is the supporting detail, and we take all the supporting detail and we find the main idea of the passage.
Oh, excellent. So do you do it in many sentences?
No, only in one sentence.
You do it in one sentence. Excellent. So what is questioning?
Questioning is what we ask questions to others.
Okay. So what kind of questions do you ask them?
Factual questions, inference questions, and opinion questions.
Okay. So what sort of questions are factual questions?
Level 1 question, inference question is level 2, opinion question is level 3.
Okay. So what are factual questions like?
The answers given in the story.
The answers are given in the story. So what is an inference question?
What we think and ask, answer the question.
Okay. And what is a level 3 question that you
What is
mentioned?
about the world and what is right or wrong and okay or right.
Okay. Can you give me an example for level 2 questions?
Yes, Kak. What is the personality trait of the character? What is the character feeling? Why questions? And what is give another title? for the
Excellent.
person.
Very good. You seem to know all the questions very well.
Yes, Kak.
Okay. So what is connection?
Connection. What is in the clues in the passage and what we connect that to our life and say that.
Okay. So you're making a text to self connection. Excellent. So what do you do after you make the connection?
What is similarity between story and my life, and what is different between story and my life.
Oh, you find all that also. Okay. Then what do you do after that? After doing the connection, what do you do?
We do prediction.
What is prediction?
A prediction is what events, character action.
But what is a prediction?
A prediction is what we find the next, what will happen next.
What will happen next? So what are the things you predict about?
Events, character action, character feelings.
Okay, so do you enjoy reciprocal reading?
Yes,
Why do you enjoy reciprocal reading?
because I am doing with all others and I'm enjoying to read stories.
Okay, so how is it helping your reading? How is reciprocal reading helping your reading to improve? In what way?
To do all the, if we read the story, if we cannot understand, we do all the strategies, we can understand the story better.
Okay, excellent. So in reciprocal reading, you work with your teams, right? You work in a team. So working with people, is that very difficult? No. Do you enjoy working with people? Yes. So do you guys learn from each other?
Yes, Kak.
Yes. So what are some things that you have learned from your friends?
How to respect others and how to do in a teamwork, and we do not fight with others, we should help and piggy bank others, and what we don't know we ask from others, they will tell.
Okay.
We will learn.
So has your teacher given you any? Has the teacher set any rules for you to work?
Yes.
Yes. Can you explain the rules?
do with respect and don't fight with others. Do with teamwork and piggy bank your reading and writing and tell you if others don't know help. If you don't know, ask for help and they will tell you about that.
Excellent. So because of the rules that your teacher gave, you have learned so many things.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what do you have right next to you? What is that?
This is Charlie and the Chocolate Factory story book.
Okay. So what do you do with that?
If we finished all the work and discussions, we take this and read this book.
Okay. So and what is that? Can you just explain whatever is there in your box?
This is a dictionary. If we don't know some words, we see this dictionary.
Okay. So and what are those blue things?
This is all files. What we keep all the chapters in and the worksheets inside this.
Okay. So and then do you have anything else in your file?
We have these cards.
So what are those cards you
This
use
is
for?
called the roll cards. If someone says clarifier, we give these cards to clarifier. If five students are there, we give these cards to the right person.
Okay. And then what do you do with those cards?
We see the backside and we write the full sentence.
Okay. Then
We have this reciprocal reading teamwork rubric.
okay. Can you show me the rubric? Can you turn and show me the rubric? Not the other side. Yes. So why do you use this rubric? What do you do with this?
This we see what is we are doing teamwork or one person doing this thing. We are four people doing this thing like that. We should be in four because everybody to do all the strategies and help others.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much, Roshan. You really know a lot about reciprocal reading. So okay. Thank you so much for telling me all this.